Every year, millions of cars reach the end of the road. But inside this factory, they don't disappear. They transform. Crushed, melted, and reforged into steel pipes built to support the tallest building on Earth. A vast sea of forgotten vehicles awaits transformation. Each crushed chassis holds untold stories, now ready for a new purpose. Skilled operators meticulously sort a mountain of discarded vehicles, destined for a new purpose. Giant convoys transport the metallic husks of millions of old cars to their next life. Heavy trucks arrive, unloading their cargo of spent vehicles, initiating the recycling journey. The immense conveyor belt begins to transport the discarded metal into the heart of the facility. Skilled line workers diligently monitor the incoming flow, ensuring optimal material processing. Colossal shredders stand ready, transforming raw material into the future. Car bodies collapse under the relentless force, reduced to unrecognizable fragments in moments. From the machine's exit, fist-sized metal chunks emerge, ready for the next stage of recycling. Magnets expertly sort the chaotic stream of shredded car parts, isolating valuable metals. Skilled workers monitor the lines, ensuring flawless separation of precious metals. The separated ferrous metals are then expertly diverted, ready for their next transformation. The journey of discarded cars continues, transformed into valuable raw materials for new creations. Eddy currents precisely repel aluminum, directing it into dedicated bins for recovery. Lighter fabrics are swiftly removed by powerful air jets, further refining the material stream.
The separation metrics show 98% purity on the polymers.
Yes, that adjustment optimized the sorting algorithm perfectly. We should lock in these parameters now.
Focused technicians ensure every stage of the advanced sorting process is perfectly calibrated. Pure, high-quality recycled metals are now ready for transformation into new products. Skilled operators orchestrate the colossal ballet of steel, transforming old cars into new futures. Millions of recycled vehicles are ready for transformation in the intense heat of the furnace. heart of the melt shop, the electric arc furnace stands ready for its next charge.
Bring it down slow. Watch the alignment.
With precision, the recycled steel cascades into the furnace, sparking a fiery rebirth. Skilled American workers meticulously calibrate the colossal furnace, ensuring precision and safety for the operation. Every detail is checked, every component secured, reflecting years of dedicated experience from these skilled American workers. The final safety checks are complete, readying the furnace for its transformative process, a testament to American ingenuity. In the electric arc furnace, immense graphite electrodes descend, poised to transform old vehicles into new steel. The blinding arc transforms raw material, turning discarded cars into liquid steel, ready for a new purpose. From scrap to liquid gold, the powerful furnace transforms discarded vehicles into new, pure steel. Each stage of refinement ensures that recycled steel meets the highest standards for its next grand construction. The superheated liquid steel is transferred with careful precision, moving closer to its final form. The recycled steel is now pure and ready, poised for its next grand architectural creation. From the colossal furnace, a river of white-hot steel begins its journey. From a safe distance, skilled operators meticulously monitor every stage of this fiery transformation. Each sparkling eruption signifies a precise, controlled step in the transformation process. The immense furnace completes its tilt, pouring the last of its liquid metal. A ballet of fire and steel, meticulously guided by skilled hands. massive ladle, now brimming with fiery liquid, awaits its next purpose. Specialized alloys are now carefully added, transforming the steel's properties.
The
Monitors
fluctuation here
display
correlates
real-time
with the
data,
temperature spike we saw
ensuring the
earlier.
perfect metallurgical
Agreed. The
composition.
0.08% carbon is stable, though. We can proceed.
Clear the platform. Lowering the electrode now.
Area is clear. Control.
With the alloys fully integrated, the steel's enhanced properties are locked in. Skilled technicians guide the molten metal, forging the future from recycled past. Precision is paramount as molten steel enters the cooling mold. Water jets rapidly cool the steel, ensuring perfect structural integrity. The newly formed steel bends gracefully, moving towards its final form. From scrap, new strength emerges, flawlessly engineered. From recycled vehicles, glowing steel billets emerge, shaped by precision engineering. An automated torch cutter precisely awaits to divide the molten steel. Skilled workers ensure every cut meets the highest standards. The continuous casting process ensures a constant supply of raw steel. Advanced machinery precisely transforms discarded materials into valuable steel. Each precisely cut billet moves forward, preparing for the next stage. From recycled might, new steel arises, heated to perfection. Expert eyes ensure every billet reaches the perfect temperature for shaping. Each glowing billet holds the promise of a future skyscraper. The piercing mill begins its work, transforming solid steel into a hollow shell. A hollow shell begins to emerge, testament to precision engineering. The heart of the factory beats with the powerful rhythm of transformation. The heart of the factory beats with the powerful rhythm of transformation.
Right there, see the regularity?
Yeah, I got it. Mark that
Yeah.
section.
The foundation for Burj Khalifa's steel pipes is expertly forged here. Under immense pressure, the shell elongates, becoming a seamless pipe. Expert operators precisely guide the intricate shaping process. With meticulous care, the pipe achieves its perfect, robust structure. From scrap to skyscraper, watch as discarded cars are reborn into vital steel. Precision instruments measure every dimension, leaving no room for error. Long sections of pipe move along the factory floor, ready for their next journey. Each meter of pipe represents a triumph of engineering and sustainable practice.